How to lock any app on your iPhone without installing any third-party app. So hey guys, welcome. Today in this video I will show you how to lock any app in your iPhone without installing any third-party app. For example, if you want, you can lock your Flipkart app or App Store. This is not kind of a traditional app lock which you see in Android, but this is little different than the traditional app locks available for Android. So here basically when you try to open a specific app which is locked, that time the device will be locked, and unless until you provide the password or the biometric authentication, till that time you will not be able to access that app. For instance, I have enabled the app lock for my Google Photos app. Now just to show you, I will try to open my Google Photos app, and within a second it will lock my device automatically, and again when I give my Face ID or enter the password, I will be able to access the Google Photos app. So just see this. Now here is my Google Photos app, and let me just open it, and you can see my device got locked. So let me just unlock it quickly. See, now you will be able to access your Google Photos. So how I did it, watch the video carefully. I will show you some steps and follow those steps to enable the app lock for your iPhone. You can basically do this in any iPhone which is having the shortcut app. So basically this is the shortcut app, and if you have this shortcut app, then definitely you can do it, or else if you don't have, then just go to your App Store and just search for shortcuts, and you will be able to find the shortcut app in the App Store. Before starting guys, it's a request, if you are new to the channel and watching this video, then please hit the subscribe button and help me reaching 1000 subscribers. And it is a humble request to all of you, whoever is watching this video. So guys, the first step is go to your shortcuts app. Then in the bottom bar you will see three options. In that you go to the automation tab. Okay, then click on the plus button, then tap on this create personal automation, then go to these options where it says app, and tap on it, and keep it when the app is opened. Then choose your app, whichever app you want to lock. For example, I want to lock my Amazon app. Okay, then click on done. Okay, then click on next. Here you can add your action. So now let me click on add action. Once I click on add action, you will see this page. Now let me just search for timer. Here you will see clock, and go here and start a timer. Then here you enter 1 and change the minutes to second. So when I open my Amazon app, then the timer will start with 1 second lap. Okay, now click on next. Okay, and here disable this option, ask before running. Okay, then click on don't ask, then click on done. That's it guys, that's it you have to do in the shortcut app. Now go to your home screen, go to your clock, then go to this timer tab. Okay, then just do one thing, just tap on when timer ends. That time select stop playing, set. That's it. Now when I open my Amazon app, you will see my device will automatically lock after 1 second, and unless until I provide my Face ID or the password, no one can access this Amazon app or my device. So let me just show you quickly. Let me tap on my Amazon app, and you see I got a notification and my device got logged. Now if I give my Face ID, automatically the device opens up Amazon app for me. Now let's do it once again. Let me tap on Amazon app, and you see I got a notification and my device is logged. Now when I unlock my device and swipe up, then I will directly go to my Amazon app. So this is how you can lock any app you want. For example, your phone app, camera app, your music app, any app in your iPhone, you can lock it using this way. That's it guys. That's it you have to do to lock any app in your iPhone. So as you saw guys, by following some simple steps I can lock any app in my iPhone using the shortcut app. And basically this is a very simple trick, I can say, and it will not take more than 2 minutes to set up. So go and try it yourself. And if you have any problem or any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section below, and I will definitely answer your question. Now hope this video is informative and helpful. If so, then please give a like, and also guys, please subscribe to the channel for amazing content like this. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.